If you use a large language model like Gemini, Copilot, etc., you know how powerful these AI tools can be. But sometimes you might get answers that feel a little generic or off target. Today, I'm sharing my favorite tips and tricks to get the best possible replies from Gemini, Copilot, Perplexity, Bard, ChatGPT, and much more. Be specific. Instead of asking vague questions like, "What's the meaning of life?" try to be as specific as possible. Let's say I'm planning a trip. Rather than asking, "Where should I go?" try framing it like this. I love outdoor adventure and trying new food. Recommend some warm weather U.S. destinations for a week-long vacation in May. Provide context. Gemini is amazing, but it's not a mind reader. The more context you give, the better it can tailor the response. For example, if I want to write a funny email to my friend, I might say, "My friend Sarah loves puns and silly jokes. Can you help me write a short but funny email about her upcoming birthday?" Here's what Gemini provided. Subject: warning, birthday puns incoming. Dear Sarah, I tried to think of the perfect pun-free birthday wish, but I couldn't come up with anything. So prepare yourself for a salt on your sense. Hope your birthday is all it's cracked up to be. You're one in a million. Sarah, never change. Break down complex requests. Overwhelming Gemini with one massive question can lead to messy results. Instead, break it down to smaller steps. Let's say I want a workout routine. Instead of asking, "Create a workout plan to help me build muscle and lose fat," my gym has basic equipment and I can work out 4 days a week. It's better to try something like this. Can you suggest a few exercises that target my chest and shoulders? Now, how about some leg and back exercises I can do with dumbbells? Great! Can you put this together into a 4-day workout split? Use modifiers. Don't just accept Gemini's or other LLM's first answer. Use the modify feature to fine-tune things. If it writes something too formal, you might say, "Can you make this sound more casual?" Other modifiers include shorter, longer, simpler, and even make it funnier. Experiment. One of Gemini's best features is how versatile it is. Play around. Try asking it to summarize news articles into a few bullet points. Rewrite a paragraph in a different style, like a famous author. Get creative. Ask Gemini to create a recipe idea based on random ingredients in your fridge. Who knows? This could lead to the next hit show on the cooking channel. I hope these tips transform how you use Gemini or whatever AI tool you're using. Remember, the more you experiment, the better you'll understand how to get the results you want. Let me know in the comments what amazing things you discover with Gemini, Copilot, Perplexity, Bard, ChatGPT, or any other AI tool you may be using. I'm always interested in learning and passing along new tips and tricks. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember that these tips not only apply to Gemini, but to other LLMs like Copilot, Claude, Perplexity, ChatGPT, and others. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.